Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can display contact information on your Android lock screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone, and then you have to scroll down until you find the lock screen setting. This one, you have to tap on it, and then you can click on the contact information right here, and then as you can see guys, you can show information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen, so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. And then for example, I'm going to add this message: this phone contact me, like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on done option right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can display contact information on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.